Howdy, Roveristas. Internet sensation Dr. Rick here, talking to you about packing. You may question, isn't it too early to pack now? It's Monday night. The rally starts on Thursday. If you're like me, you've been gently packing for about 3 months. I make piles, I organize the piles, I review the piles. Then eventually, when it comes close to time, I pack the piles. See what I mean? It's a pile. Now, while you are thinking about packing, I like to make some suggestions. Bring yourself a knife and fork and paper plate or a reusable plate that you can wash, because when we have the smoked meat, corn, cupcake cakes, you'll need something to eat off of and with. Think about bringing a cup that you love, perhaps that says Land Rover on it or represents your club, for drinking beer at the kegs. Maybe you want to, at the before party, when we have a cash bar out at the car show, bring some cash so that you can buy stuff at the bar. It all seems to make sense. Remember a swimsuit? We will be right near the Orbegon Lake, which has a depth of about 300 feet, so you do not have to worry about touching a slimy bottom. It has a nice sandy beach, and it's going to be hot there. Temperatures should be running in the daytime up to around 87 degrees, and at night down to 55. So pack something warm for the overnight, and pack something light for the daytime, and a swimsuit. It's not that kind of party. Swimsuit, please. And for the banquet, lots of options. I'm planning a tuxedo with an ascot, and there are some people that will come in safari theme. Kilts are very welcome, and you just go as you are. You can come covered in mud from the afternoon. Whatever. You're going to be very welcome. You got to see this. This is going to be such a fun party. This may actually be my last video before I'm there in 3D. Take a selfie with me and say that you know internet sensation Dr. Rick. Namaste.